The best engineering automation does not replace judgment. It removes repetitive friction, allowing engineers to focus on decision-making. In this video, we will explore AI workflow automation for engineering operations in a practical manner. This topic is crucial for engineering business owners, consultants, operations leaders, project managers, and technical teams, as the decisions made here can determine whether a project is clear and manageable or costly and reactive. The central idea is straightforward. AI automation should start with a mapped process, controlled inputs, and human review. Data protection, measurable value, and a narrow workflow that can be tested before scaling. A professional process does not eliminate uncertainty. It transforms uncertainty into visible questions, planned tests, and controlled decisions. This enables engineering work to support the business rather than become a source of surprises. As we delve into this topic, pay attention to three key aspects. First, what information must be known before work begins? Second, what evidence should be generated during the project? Third, what decision allows the team to progress to the next stage? These three questions provide a useful framework for nearly any physical product or engineering service. This is not about making every project slow or bureaucratic. It's about applying the right amount of structure based on the level of risk. A simple bracket and a regulated electronic product do not require the same process, but both need clear requirements and an agreed definition of success. AI workflow automation can assist in capturing inquiries, summarizing meetings, drafting structured documents, and routing tasks. However, it should not be relied upon to make unverified engineering decisions or manage sensitive information without controls. The aim is to achieve faster and more consistent operations with clear human accountability. Many teams confuse activity with progress. Meetings, drawings, and prototypes can create activity while the main question remains unanswered. True progress occurs when a decision is better supported than it was before. The purpose of the process is to create that support. Clients should also understand the decisions being made. When the technical team can articulate the rationale, project management becomes easier. Clients can weigh risk, cost, speed, and quality instead of reacting to isolated technical details. To begin, map the workflow before automating. Document current triggers, inputs, and handoffs before introducing AI. A strong team makes assumptions visible, distinguishes facts from guesses, and records what evidence is still needed. Why is this important? Automating a broken or unclear process can accelerate bad output and obscure accountability. One decision can quietly create issues in several other areas, impacting cost, schedule, supplier capability, and client confidence. The goal is not to eliminate every unknown, but to understand which unknowns are acceptable and which could alter the project's direction. A practical approach is to select one repetitive workflow with stable rules and a measurable problem. For instance, an inquiry to discovery process may involve form capture, project summaries, and scheduling. At X-Pro, we document results in a format understandable to clients and engineers. This record serves as a checkpoint. Next, focus on structured capture and triage. Utilize forms and email parsing to convert requests into consistent fields. A strong team makes assumptions visible, separates facts from guesses, and records what evidence is still needed. Why does this matter? AI can confidently summarize missing information, making an incomplete inquiry appear complete. When this area is unclear, one decision can quietly create problems in cost, schedule, and supplier capability. A practical approach is to require source links and missing information flags before taking action. A lead summary should clearly indicate that target volume and budget were not provided rather than making assumptions. At X-Pro, this record prevents the team from repeating the same debates after time and resources have been spent. A major part of this review involves drafting proposals and documents. Use AI to create first drafts from approved scope data. This should be treated as a decision, not a detail to be resolved later. A strong team records what evidence is still needed. Why does this matter? Generic generated proposals can promise incorrect deliverables, legal terms, or technical outcomes. When this area is unclear, one decision can create problems in supplier capability, testing, and client confidence. A practical approach is to lock the document structure and separate approved facts from generated narratives. A proposal workflow can insert client data while the engineer verifies scope, price, and exclusions. At X-Pro, we document these results to prevent the team from repeating the same debates later on. Another decision point is project administration and communication. Automate meeting summaries, action logs, and status reports. Automate the transfer of approved tasks between systems. This should be treated as a decision, not a detail. Why does this matter? Poor transcription or automated task creation can misdirect the team if decisions are not confirmed. When this area is unclear, it impacts supplier capability, testing, user experience, and client confidence. A practical approach is to distinguish discussion, decision, and owner, allowing participants to correct the record. A review meeting can generate a draft decision log that the project lead approves before tasks are assigned. At XPro, we document the results in a form understandable to all stakeholders to prevent revisiting debates. The project also relies on engineering support with human verification. Use AI for checklists, comparisons, and calculation setup. This is about keeping engineering judgment accountable. Records must show what evidence is still needed before progressing. Why does this matter? Generated technical content may contain false assumptions, missing constraints, or incorrect units. When this is unclear, one decision can create problems in cost, schedule, supplier capability, and user experience. A practical approach is to require source evidence, independent calculations, and sign-off appropriate to the risk. AI may draft a design review checklist, but the engineer must adapt it to the product and verify every conclusion. The final core area is knowledge, security, and performance measurement. Create controlled libraries of templates and standards. Protect client confidentiality and access. This should be treated as a decision, not a detail to be resolved later. Why does this matter? Uploading sensitive data to unapproved tools or measuring only time saved can create legal and quality risks. A practical approach is to define data classification, tool approval, audit, quality metrics, and a rollback path. Workflows should be evaluated based on cycle time, error rate, and user adoption, rather than the number of automated steps. At XPro, we document these results as a checkpoint for the next review, keeping assumptions visible and facts separated from guesses. Imagine this project. A small engineering firm wants AI to assist with lead intake, discovery summaries, and design review checklists. We begin by gathering product goals, files, samples, and budget pressure. We document what is unknown and identify the next decision. Then we define the evidence needed, a calculation, a test fixture, or a CAD layout. The form matters less than whether it answers the question. Finally, we close the loop. We review the result, document the decision, and update the project plan. This is the moment when the project advances. Common mistakes include buying tools before mapping workflows and allowing AI to fill in missing client info. Assign an owner and resolve unknowns. A simple green, yellow, and red decision framework can guide progress, ensuring the requirement is understood and risk is acceptable. In summary, AI workflow automation for engineering operations is about making better decisions before risks become costly. The strongest engineering teams expose problems early and learn quickly. This safeguards technical quality and provides a predictable path forward. If you have a product idea or engineering problem, XPro can help. Contact XPro to discuss your project today.